Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solama token. One of the best names for a meme token. This is a llama on the Solana blockchain, and now we have Solama. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. It was just announced, and we're going to go over the information on the Solama token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. It was just announced on Twitter that this token will be listed soon on a very big central exchange called Bitmart. So it says, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list Solama soon. Solama is Solana's mascot, the rising star in the meme coin universe on the Solana blockchain. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. And so you can check this out on Bitmart's Twitter at Bitmart Exchange. They also made the announcement on Solama's Twitter at Solama SPL. You can find that on x.com. They have the blue verified checkmark. 5,803 Twitter followers. They just joined in December 2023, and they have 289 posts so far. So they're very active on the socials here. And you can find links. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there as usual. And you can find links to their Telegram on there and their webpage. Their Telegram is at Solama SPL. And their webpage, solama.vip. Now their Telegram doing well, 2,527 Telegram subscribers. You can click preview channel to check it out. Lots of updates on the Twitter and the Telegram. And their pinned tweet is talking about the Bitmart listing. So you'll be able to see that on there. So they say on their Twitter here that Doge, was the coin in 2013. Then we got Shiba, the meme coin in 2021, Pepe in 2023, and Solama's turn is for 2024. So on their webpage, you can find a link to a DEX Tools chart. On DEX Tools, you can find a link to their Sol Scan. So it says the current price of this token is around 0.77 of a cent, and their market cap right now is a little bit over $5.2 million. So they're doing pretty well here. Solama is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. 6 decimal places on this token, and there is a current supply of 676,602,254 tokens. And they already have 4,478 holders. So they're doing very well. They're also listed on CoinGecko, it says. You can find them listed on there. You can find the chart on DEX Tools and CoinGecko if you're interested in how the token's doing. And if you want to get the token prior to the Bitmart listing, if you want to get it before it gets listed, you can get this token off a decentralized exchange like Raydium. So all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, any Solana decentralized wallet. You would fund it with Sol. Then you'd go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Solama token using the contract address that you can find right on their official webpage, solama.vip. I'm not sure if you have to set slippage to 0 taxes, so you don't need to worry about buying any using any specific slippage. Now, actually, there is a step-by-step how to buy right on their webpage. It says it's also listed on Jupiter. You can use a Phantom, go inside your Phantom app, it says, on your Phantom wallet. So that's another wallet you could use there. Or you could use a Coin98 wallet. There's many different wallets you could use for Solana. And there's a Buy Now button at the top of the page. There's the button that says Charts. So it's the unofficial Solana mascot. On their webpage, they have a game, the Solama game. It says, play the game now. You can click on that, tap to play. And it says you can play the game on your PC or mobile. And we will have a game in the Play Store or App Store soon for a better experience, it says. So, Solama, the rising star in the meme coin universe on the Solana blockchain. Much like Shiba Inu on Ethereum, Solama brings a playful twist with a llama-themed charm. Embrace the whimsical world of Solama, where crypto meets humor, and join the journey towards the next big meme coin sensation on Solana. And they do have a full audit. So they were audited by Tech Audit, and you can review the PDF of that on their webpage. It says LP is burnt, ownership renounced. And then they have Instagram, they have a TikTok, YouTube, Telegram, Twitter, contact email, all at the bottom of their webpage. So it says there's $199,320 in liquidity on Raydium. And they have, it says on Dex Tools, 2,900 holders, but on their SolScan it says over 4,400. So 24-hour trading volume right now is $1 million, so that's really good there. They have, let's see here, so they have an audit on here, and there's no warnings on the audit, just the quick audit. I haven't reviewed their full audit. I would recommend you take the time always to review full audits. But on their quick audit that they have on Dex Tools, which is Quick Intel, it says no honeypot, contract is verified, no mintable tokens. So there's a few things you can go over on there. It says no other risks. So they have a 95.5 community trust vote. So they're, yeah, I mean, check this token out. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Solama? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out all those referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.